most need to use the model, I think it's kind of creating this feedback loop.
I see. In the sense that let's say a developer at Anthropic is like, it would be better if it was better at this X thing. And then you bake that into the next model that you build.
That's one version of it, but then there's just the ordinary product iteration of like, we have a bunch of coders within Anthropic. Like they like use Claude Code every day, and so we get fast feedback. That was more important in the early days. Now, of course, there are millions of people using it, and so we get a bunch of external feedback as well. But it's it's just great to be able to get kind of fast internal feedback. I think this is the reason why we launched a coding model and didn't launch a pharmaceutical company, right? My background's in like biology, but like we don't have any of the resources that are needed to launch a pharmaceutical company.
So there's been a ton of hype around OpenClaw, and I wanted to check it out for myself. I've got a day coming up this weekend, and I don't have anything planned yet. So I gave OpenClaw a Mercury debit card. I set a couple $100 limit, and I said, surprise me. Okay, so here's the Mac Mini it's on, and besides having access to my Mercury, it's totally quarantined.